Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this time, I come with another makeup look. Another ke? Baru datang balik with a much more better makeup look. So that you can see how flawless is my base and how nice is my eyeshadow. And also same goes to my lips and my eyebrow. If you guys want to know how do I achieve this good look, you can just keep on watching. It might be a bit boring sebab lama gila tak buat video. So ya, video cakap video akan lebih panjang, okay? So first I will start with brow using this skills in the code chocolate. I'm taking my brush, take a brush. Before that, you kena brush up, brush ke atas you punya brow. So then senang you nak framekan dia nanti. Okay, so I've done my brow off camera. Cantik kan? Dia punya imitation and how it blends, like cantik lah. I have a lot of pores over here actually. Kalau you actually tak nampak sangat on camera, tapi in real life sangat obvious. So then I am taking this Makeup Forever. It's the smoothing primer. So then I will smooth out dekat area yang sangat ada banyak pores tu. It really helps tu. Macam bila you pakai foundation kan, dia terasa macam flawless gila. For the oil control and also long lasting effect primer, I am taking this one. I will just add the rest of my face. And then we move to the favorite part of mine, which is foundation. This is the new foundation from NARS. So I am using in the code Punjab. And ni sangat convenient sebab it comes with the pump already. So you tak payah beli separate pump yang harga dia RM40 yang macam just pump, full pump, guna the finger you. And you can just tap on your face. Taking my brush from Zoeva, and tadi before that I akan spray with my MAC. So then you can see the coverage, the full coverage. Dia tak keki langsung, okay. You guys can compare. Ada. Nampak tak flawless dia? Flawless tak mampus. I am done with foundation. Senang kan? Okay, and then I'm taking my favorite concealer and contour liquid from NYX. First, I will conceal my under eyes first. This is the trick. You just buat macam je. You tak payah buat yang lain-lain. So then how will you do is you can just bring yang kat depan ni ke belakang, keluar, sorry. So you can bring downwards and upwards. And it is enough to cover your under eyes. Dah nice dah. Same goes to this side. Bawa keluar, bawa ke bawah. Trust me, dia akan lebih cantik. Okay. Dulu pun I buat banyak lain juga, tapi I've discovered these tips. So then it really helps and also save the product. I think auto. Okay, then kau buat sikit kan. Sini. 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 Dah sikit. Then I'm taking my Zoeva brush for face shape. So I'm taking the Modern Ozone palette, tapi I just nak ambil this burnt orange colour je as the transition colour. Okay, then I dah siap buat as my transition base, and then I am taking this L'Oreal Mercier Caviar Stick in the code Burnish Bronze. So this is the length. Dia panjang ni je. So kalau patah ni naik. And then kita ambil brush untuk blend. Okay, to make the color more close to each other, I'm taking this Huda Beauty palette and I just want to use this one color in the code Amber. It's not really macam intense and also more smoky and the color pun macam blend to each other. I put some blusher. I am taking Fit Photo. I'm taking Fit Me. Picky. Beli banyak. Edel. Top up some shimmer. It looks like glossy sikit. So I use this pen. So I use this type Rainforest of the Sea. I'm using this color tadi. In the corner, I'll be taking this again. This new Rakyat Jelata. Focus please. Okay, L'Oreal Mercier, but this one in the shade Rose Gold. Okay, so I'm taking a small and sharp brush untuk blend. Belakang ni I kena practice lagi. My eyeliner, I'm using this Hyper Glitz ink from Maybelline. Eyeliner macam complement with this eyeshadow. Then I nak letak sedikit contour yang powder. I'm using this Tatis. I'm using this color, the lightest one. Using this flat brush. Letak sikit je, just nak lagi enhance. Sebab tadi I dah guna the mix contour liquid. Then I just nak set that liquid using powder. Macam nak buat kan, you kena sikit. That you know where is the place yang you kena lalukan. Okay, and then I nak hilangkan the powdery effect dekat muka I ni. Sebab I nak top up highlighter, I'm taking this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Benda ni macam besar tau dia guna. So jauh sikit. Okay. Sampai badan aku spray tau. I will be taking my Becca highlighter. I beli kecil coek je. Glow Drops, okay. And then the last one, I'll be using this Huda Beauty. Macam gaya fashion sandal tak? Farah Nabila Huda Beauty. Okay. Siap. I nak cakap pasal lipstick ni. This is the first lipstick Huda Beauty yang I ada. This one. Dia glossy, dia sangat cantik. Dia macam, glossy dia macam tak annoying lah. Dia tak ada sangat macam keluarkan bibir kau. And dia nampak bibir I tadi buruk gila and kering. So then, bila pakai ni, dia fully coverage. Like kau keluarkan satu ni je kan, terus kau dah boleh cover satu bibir kau. It is that good. Okay, so then I am done. Last one, I will spray my all nighter. Dia baru beli, tak nak keluar lah. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I will be seeing you guys again on my next video if I rajin. Give this video a thumbs up if you suka this look. Yeah, goodbye.